students, topic of the video is principle of mathematical induction or simply mathematical induction. This is our 7th lecture. In this video we prove that sum, this is 7 sum. Prove that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot dot plus n equals to n into n plus 1 by 2. Here n belongs to capital N. Let Pn be the given statement. So P1, for P1 we take first term from the left hand side, that is 1, and if we put n equals to 1 in the right hand side, so 1 into 1 plus 1 by 2 equals to 1, therefore P1 is true. Let Pk be true. Therefore 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot dot plus k equals to k into k plus 1 by 2. P of k plus 1, then 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot dot k plus 1th step. If there exists k plus 1th step, then there should be k step also exists. For the building there exists 10th floor, that means there exists also 9th floor. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot dot plus k plus 1. From 1 to k, this value is k into k plus 1 by 2 plus k plus 1. If we take common k plus 1, then we get k plus 1 into k by 2 plus 1. So k plus 1 into k plus 2 by 2. So k plus 1 into k plus 1 plus 1 by 2. Now students, you see that here n, in the place of n there exists k plus 1, in the place of n there exists k plus 1. So P of k plus 1 is true if Pk be true. Therefore, by principle of mathematical induction, Pn is true, where n belongs to capital N. Therefore 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot dot plus n equals to n into n plus 1 by 2. Proved. Next sum is prove that 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus dot dot n square equals to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6, where n belongs to capital N, where capital N is set of natural number. Let Pn be the given statement. Therefore P1 means first step or first value. For this case we take first term from the left hand side. First term from the left hand side is 1 square, so we take 1 square is equals to, in the place of n we write 1, so n is replaced by 1, so 1 into 1 plus 1 into 2 into 1 plus 1 by 2. That implies 1 square is 1, here 1 into 2 into 3 by here 6, so here is also write 6, so 1 equals to 1. Therefore P1 is true. let pk be true, then 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus dot dot plus k square is equals to k into k plus 1 into 2k plus 1 by 6. Actually, if we write this line in the second step, then that must be better. One step you could like let pk be the truth. In this line you cannot need to write anything. So p of k plus 1 1 plus 2 plus 1 square 2 square 3 square plus dot dot k plus 1 square. Here k plus 1 square means k plus 1 step. If there exists k plus 1 step, then should be k steps also exist. So in the next line 1 square 2 square 3 square plus dot dot plus k square plus k plus 1 square. Here we assume that from 1 square to k square is k into k plus 1 and 2k plus 1 by 6. So if we replace in the place of this one k into k plus 1 into 2k plus 1 by 6 plus k plus 1 square. K plus 1, if we take k plus 1 common from the line, then k into 2k plus 1 by 6 plus k plus 1. So k plus 1 2k square plus k plus k plus 6 into k plus 1 by 6. So k plus 1 2k square k plus 6k, this is 7k plus 6 by 6, this one. Therefore k plus 1 by factorization of this 6 to the 12, 4 plus 3 7, so 2k square plus 4k plus 3k plus 6 by 6. So k plus 1 taking 2k in bracket k plus 2 taking plus 3, this one is k plus 2 by 6, this can k plus 1 into k plus 2 into 2k plus 3 by 6. So their result, the result is k plus 1 and k plus 2 can be written as k plus 1 plus 1 and 2 into k plus 3 can be written as 2 into k plus 1 plus 1 by 6. Now see that in the place of n there is k plus 1, in the place of n there is k plus 1, in the place of n there is k plus 1. So p of k plus 1 is true. If pk be true, therefore by principle of mathematical induction Pn is true, therefore 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus dot dot, here where n belongs to n, plus dot dot plus n square equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6, where n belongs to capital N. Proved. In the next video on this topic, we discuss few more sums.